One that asks me when do I get time. This is me leaving work. I'm leaving. I've got my clothes to change. I'm going to change from my formal to my work clothes. Here's my baby. It's parked. Moving to the toilets to change and change and change so I can go work and graph. Okay. Changed up. Well, as you can see, it's time to leave my IT equipment and take these ones. My real equipment. So I'm just gotta do shit yourself. I'm going to work on this one. Strip everything.
Ponda mano sudah dia nak boda nak bakal ko
Yeah. Guys, this is me. Literally, I just got back home from my second work. Time is like 9:30. But you see why I need to be 1,000 subscribers going up. I don't have time for family. I'm trying to do content, so I can have more videos. And this is literally me. You can't even see me, guys, but please just subscribe, like and share. But subscribe. Shut up.